Hi, I'm Mike Sanderson, owner of Auto Service Experts in Grove City. For over a decade, my team and I have been committed to keeping you safe on the road with reliable, honest auto repair services. When I started Auto Service Experts, I wanted to create more than just another repair shop. I wanted a place where you'd feel confident leaving your car, knowing it's in good hands. We take care of everything from oil changes to advanced diagnostics, even electric vehicles and ADAS systems. But what truly sets us apart is how we treat our customers. We know car trouble can be stressful, so we make it as easy as possible, offering after-hours drop-off and pick-up, Wi-Fi, and even a shuttle service. Plus, our repairs come with 36,000-mile nationwide warranty and 5-year or 50,000 miles local warranty, so you can drive away with peace of mind. At Auto Service Experts, you're not just another customer, you're family, and I'm proud to be part of a community that values trust, quality, and care. If you need service, visit our website or give us a call at 614-808-8340 to book your appointment today. We'd love to help you keep your car running smoothly. Thanks for choosing Auto Service Experts.